advice for you larger endowed ladies, raise the girls.
Oh,
Raise the girls. If not, it's going to be a little tight.
When you get old like me, you have to adjust the boys too. So I am here at the Fremont Street Experience with my niece, Nicole.
Hi!
She's convinced me to do something stupid that I would never do by myself, but because she's here, I want to be that cool uncle. So I'm not going to tell you yet, you're just going to see what it is. And if you're new to my channel, please think about clicking on that subscribe button down below. Now let's get started with today's video.
Happy birthday, Mom!
All right, ladies, which one are you doing? Sit down or Superman?
Sit down!
I love it. So they take your photo here. And then they take your photo up there. We have our bags. Put everything in there. Nicole's showing the GoPro. We both got the Broco. We got the GoPro kit, which added about $15, but the tickets were $60, but since there was two of us, it was actually $98 for two, plus the GoPro, so the total price is about $155, $156. So we'll go pick up the footage. We just gotta remember to hit the record button. I'm gonna be flying forward facing, and she's gonna fly towards her. Depending on which side she's on, I'm gonna try to have it angle it so she can catch me passing out. And guys, we will see you once we get to the other side because we have to lock our phones away. Stay tuned, be sure to like and subscribe. There's Nicole. There's me. I'm all bundled in. Hopefully there's some audio. Got a guy who just turned 21 from Massachusetts here. Getting in the harnesses and pad. And you do take the elevator up once you get onto the second floor. This is an awkward position, but... So guys, I'm gonna face mine forward. Nicole is gonna face hers towards us, and here we go. You try and dog crawl. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Here comes the fun part. Oh, okay.
Was not expecting that part. We're going back. Ow. And again. Not scary at all.
Great. All right, so that was fun. What'd you think, man?
Nice, I like that.
Yeah?
That was good, yeah.
What happened to you? I smoked you guys.
How many in your group?
Two of us. She's right over there.
So you're going to stand right over there and I'm going to take your left.
Okay. She's gonna take a picture of us. The actual zip lining, I was moving pretty fast. Not scary at all.
No, not at all.
What do you think, Nicole?
It was fun, but definitely not terrifying.
Okay, see you guys with my regular camera. Guys, have fun. Enjoy your stay. Would you do it again?
Yeah, but not for $60.
I would do it again if it was complimentary. But no, to me it was a good deal. For the first time, I thought it was great. I thought it would actually be scarier. The wind blowing in my face was kind of annoying, but you definitely have to push off. Now we wait for our pictures and our video. You should definitely give it a try, just once at least. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and don't forget to ring that bell notification. That way you know the next time I upload new videos. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.